Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel You and I Can Cook. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy prawn curry. Please try it out and let me know in the comments section. Also, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Prawns 1 kg. I have cleaned, deveined and washed the prawns. 3 big onions chopped. 3 medium tomatoes chopped. Potatoes. Garlic ginger paste. Green chilies. Coconut milk. Coriander powder. Cumin powder. Red chili powder. Turmeric powder. Garam masala powder. Salt. Mustard. Curry leaves. Lemon juice. Oil, water. Now I'm going to marinate the prawns. I'll start with chili powder. Put half a teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic ginger paste, and juice of half a lime. Mix well and set aside for half an hour. The utensil is now heated. I'll pour 2 tablespoons of oil. Now put the mustard. The mustard starts crackling. Add curry leaves. Now add the chopped onions. Put half a teaspoon salt and saute the onions till they become light brown in color. The onions are lightly brown. I am adding the green chilies. Give it a mix. Add 1.5 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Mix well. Fry for about 2 minutes till the raw smell of garlic ginger paste disappears. Now add the tomatoes. And fry them till the tomatoes turn soft. The tomatoes have turned soft now. I will now be adding the powders. Turmeric, coriander, cumin, chili powder. Give it a mix. Fry for 2 minutes. I'm adding a little bit of water to the masala. Stir well. And now add the prawns. Give it a mix. I don't want to add more water at this point because the prawns will leave its water. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will add a little bit of water. I'm also putting 2 medium potatoes. Mix well. After 15 minutes, the potatoes and prawns are all well cooked. I'm now going to add the coconut milk. This is 1 cup of coconut milk. Mix well. Add half a teaspoon of salt. You can put salt according to your taste. Now add the garam masala powder. Give it a mix. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Keep mixing the gravy so that the coconut milk will not separate. It's almost done. Let me now garnish it with a little bit of coriander leaves. Give it a mix. And turn off the gas. I will now plate the dish. Simple and tasty prawn curry is now ready to be served. I will garnish it with a little bit of coriander leaves.